Hey everybody, it's Flatbread Friday, and today's pizza is inspired by lots of on-hand ingredients. I had the last of the meatballs that were in my freezer, that have been in my freezer for a long time. I had a little bit of the fresh mozzarella left from our caprese pizza the other day, and well, last Friday, and some ricotta, some sauce, some other cheese. So today we're gonna make a 4-cheese meatball and caramelized onion pizza. So let's do it. The thing that's going to take the longest is caramelizing the onions. So we are going to put a little bit of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. We will go down to medium low once they start cooking up, and in goes our onions. These are sweet Vidalia onions. We're going to season them up with some salt and pepper and some dried basil. Hopefully we'll have fresh basil soon. My garden is a little late this year, and a little bit of dried oregano. And we're going to let those cook down till they are lightly browned and very soft and sweetened up. In the meantime, we are going to cut these meatballs in half. We're going to sprinkle our surface with a little bit of flour. Get some on your hands. So it means everything I touch is going to be floury. We're going to stretch out our dough to fit our sheet pan. I may invest in a round pizza pan, but I don't know. It's kind of the right size, so we're going to transfer it to our sheet pan. And make it exactly the right size. Just pull the edges around a little bit. We'll do a stick-up edge on this one. Looking good. Now we're going to take a fork and pierce it all over the place so it doesn't bubble up when it bakes. We're going to put on some sauce, and that's going to be a nice base for our pizza. And then we're going to spread it all around in a nice even layer. Our sauce is on, and the first cheese that's going on is shredded mozzarella. Next thing that's going on is our meatballs. We're going to arrange them evenly. I don't know how they're going to fit, so we'll play it by ear. Looking good. And in between our meatballs, we're going to put little dollops of our different cheeses. This is ricotta. Ricotta is on, and here comes some little cut up pieces of our fresh mozzarella left over from our caprese pizza. I don't know if you watched the video, but the fresh mozzarella really loosens up, so I want to keep it kind of as on the inside, as much on the inside as I can, so it doesn't overflow the crust. Okay, we got 3 out of 4, fresh mozzarella, ricotta, shredded mozzarella, and the next thing that's going on is our caramelized onions. They shrank down to practically nothing. So we're gonna have to very carefully distribute them so we can cover this whole pizza. Won't be very oniony, but it'll add a little something, something. We got us some coverage. So the last thing we're going to do is give this guy a nice crust with some finely shredded Parmesan. That does it for our toppings, and now we're going in 450 for about 20 minutes or so. Our 4-cheese meatball and caramelized onion pizza is out of the oven. Looking round and crispy and bubbly and melty and smells so good. And now we're gonna slice it up and serve it up. Here's our 4-cheese meatball and caramelized onion pizza. Looking yummy. I just went out to the garden to grab some basil to garnish it with, but my basil plant is dead. So there'll be more coming. And happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me for a happy Flatbread Friday play day. I'm looking down because I want to pick this up and show it to you again. Looking fine, cheesy, meaty, and a little bit of caramelized onion. And we're going to eat it up and enjoy it, and we'll see you soon.